should secretly lower a rowboat. Then you can disappear into the darkness of the night. If they cannot reach you, they won't touch us.
Hold on, Captain.
Brother Ishak, you do not know the battles of the sea very well. If it were only me, take my soul. But the loss is too big. The opponent has too many men there. And us, we only have broken cannons and nothing else. The cannons are only there for decoration, in hopes of staying safe. That's only if it can scare the bandits.
I'm giving you some time.
He's right in thinking about the passengers, Ishak. There's only one thing left to do then. Your old cannon? How many balls can it fire before breaking?
6 or maybe 5. We don't have many cannonballs on here. Instead of carrying cannonballs, we prayed. We prayed that we'd never have to use them. It's just better that way.
Inshallah, we'll have to use them today, Captain. But first, we will carry these cannons to portside. Then, when I give you a signal, you're going to shoot it at the infidels. Is that clear?
Are you sure?
I am Captain.
Okay.
Go on.
Alesta, to the cannon. Come on. Let's carry the cannon to the other side.
Didn't you hear him? He said that the cannon's useless. Do you intend to anger the dragon with a mosquito bite?
If we can successfully execute our plan, Brother Ishak, then this cracked old reliable will work better than Sultan Mehmet's greatest cannons. Captain, I'm going to need some tools for this.
Okay, I'll bring everything that I have.
My brother, you've got that crazy look in your eyes again.
What did Master Suleiman say? No beach without sands and no sea without crazies? Tell me about your lungs. Are you ready to start catching fish again?
Always, my brother.
You going to swim in the water like crocodiles, is it?
Lesbos children grew up in the water. And out of cradle was the boat of death. And our lullaby, the sounds of ships. You know
Hamza,
this.
stop! I told you to stop, Hamza.
They came back for us, right? They want to take me away.
Hamza?
They came to take me away.
No, laddie. Come now. Besides those who are named Hamza, do not fear.
Hamza boy, look here. There is no one in this world who is going to take you away from us. Don't be afraid, boy.
Hazim,
Huh?
These are all of the tools.
Nico. Here, Nico. Only on my signal. Don't forget this, Captain.
Okay, Hazar.
Come on, Nico.
Where are you going?
To go for a dive. We will collect some pearls and coral.
Hamza, now you have to go with Zainab and go inside. Don't come out until I call you, okay? Go on, boy.
Come.
Allah be with us.
The time I gave you has run out now, and so did my mercy towards you. From this point on, every single person on that ship is abandoned in my book. Get ready to fire! We're done giving warnings!
We're ready, sir. Fire a warning shot?
No. We're going to bury them at the bottom of the sea. Fire!
A blind man could have hit his mock from this close. God has put a veil on their eyes.
Well, I think it's the signal. Captain, give the order and let's batter these villains' ship until nothing's left.
Fire on my mark. Ready?
Bismillah.
Fire!
I'll offer a sacrifice if we get done before we run out of balls.
What is this?
She is tilting, sir. We must be taking in water.
Just find the problem. Go below the decks.
Quickly, quickly, hurry. Come and help me. Come on.
Quickly retaliate and fire back.
Sir, on top of the leak, they are also still firing at us. It is impossible to aim and shoot properly while the ship is swaying like this, sir. We have to fall back. Otherwise, we're going to sink and drown. Fire! Sir, watch out! Fix it!
Gonna capsize!
Is it over, brother?
I think it is.
He who tries to beat us should dig his own grave, is it, Effendi?
There is just one more thing to do. The mates in there try to work hard, as they try to patch up the ship. So then, we can't leave without writing our names as a keepsake.
Even though it started to sink, he still hasn't given up. Why is he so stubborn?
How about our ordnance, Captain?
Only one cannonball left. He's either going to have to give up and leave, otherwise everyone will see us lose.
Allah, we need your help. Please send us good news through my Hazir or one of your ways.
Your prayers are answered, Brother Ishaq. It seems that they're backing up.
Since it's the hour of the gates of prayer to be open, please also grant Hazir a little bit of sanity, Allah.